The other big story here at 6, tampering with evidence, attempting to tamper with evidence and lying to law enforcement. These are the charges Clay County's former sheriff is facing as he stands trial. In fewer than 24 hours, the trial for former Clay County Sheriff Darryl Daniels will begin.
And we've seen hundreds of potential jurors cycle through the courtroom today as the judge decides the 6 men and women to sit on the jury. News 4 Jax reporter Janice Harris is live at the Clay County Courthouse as jurors were selected. Janice.
Yes, it has been narrowed down to a jury pool. The jurors, there will be 6 jurors. It is 4 women and 2 men. And they also chose their alternates, 1 man and 1 woman. And now we hear details about the evidence that the state believes could potentially make that jury find Darryl Daniels guilty for all of those charges. Darryl Daniels sat attentively with his attorneys by his side as he narrowed down the list of potential jurors. The state did the same, asking potential jurors questions such as, are you married? How long have you been married? These could be critical questions as they narrowed down the juror pool because the case evolved around an affair.
The office of sheriff is something that is entrusted to an individual by the citizens.
Before being arrested, Darryl Daniels had been making a name for himself as Clay County Sheriff for fighting crime and having a direct approach. However, according to court records, between May 6th and June 4th, 2019, Daniels broke the law and is facing tampering with evidence, attempted destruction of evidence, and 5 counts of providing false information to law enforcement counts. Daniels is accused of ordering one of his deputies to illegally arrest his former mistress, Sierra Smith, for stalking him in 2019 after he told his wife the affair was over. Investigators said Daniels lied to them about the actions he took when the affair became public and had his phone scrubbed of incriminating communications. The state also asked jurors, has anyone been involved in a relationship that ended badly, volatile, or in infidelity? Would hearing about a potential volatile relationship impact your judgment? 2 potential jurors said they had experienced abuse, but that it would not impact their judgment for this case. These questions may seem invasive, but it can help identify possible bias in the potential jurors. Jurors will begin hearing testimony tomorrow. If found guilty, Daniels could face 1 to 5 years in prison, depending on the criminal charge. And tomorrow, court will begin, according to the judge, at 8:45 in the morning. In addition to that, if he is found guilty and convicted for all of these charges, he's facing up to 15 years total in prison. Reporting live at the Clay County Courthouse, Janice Harris, Channel 4, the local station.